In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method to your Etsy account, whether you're a seasoned Etsy seller preparing to streamline your transactions or a first-time buyer excited to explore the vibrant world of handmade and vintage goods. Having a secure payment method is essential. Today, we'll walk through the process together, ensuring you have everything set up correctly to make your Etsy experience as smooth as possible. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Etsy account. Head over to Etsy's homepage and look for the login option at the top right corner. Enter your details and sign in. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure you have your phone handy to verify your identity. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to your profile icon on the same upper menu. Clicking here will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll select Account Settings. Now that you're in your account settings, it's time to focus on the financial side of things. You'll see several tabs within your account settings, and for our purposes today, you'll want to locate either payments or billing. Clicking this option will take us one step closer to adding your preferred payment method. This section is the financial hub of your Etsy account, where you manage how transactions are handled and where funds are coming from and going to. Once on the payments or billing page, look for a button or link that says Add a Payment Method. This is usually quite prominent and is your gateway to entering your financial information securely. With this step, Etsy ensures that the process of buying and selling is as seamless as possible for both buyers and sellers. It's all about making the shopping experience enjoyable and managing purchases without any hassle. Next, you'll be prompted to fill in your debit or credit card details. This form will ask for the usual information you'd expect: your card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Make sure to double check these details as you enter them. One small mistake could prevent your card from being added or used successfully. And for those who prefer added security, remember to keep your personal financial details confidential and rely on Etsy's secure server to protect your information. Finally, after entering all the necessary card details, you'll need to save the information. Look for a Save button at the bottom of this section. Clicking this will submit your card details, securely linking your card as a payment method on your Etsy account. Make sure the details are correct before hitting Save, as this final step will finalize the process. And there you have it. Once saved, your new payment method has been successfully added, paving the way for streamlined transactions on Etsy. With your card details securely stored, you're all set to enjoy or enhance your shopping or selling experience. Remember that you can always return to this section if you need to update your card details or add new ones in the future. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping or selling on Etsy.